What's going on, you guys? It's Gia here representing JiasWorld. Special shout out to Melanin University. From hue to hue, stay true. I am doing a special unboxing for Fuck Racism. Unity is the key. You see it. Let's get into it. WELOVE
108
FM. I ordered 2 shirts. Let's unbox or unwrap. Here is the first shirt. I love this. It's got Ku Klux Klan dude with a hell no sign on it, you know, no, and then fuck racism. And then on the back, unity is key, right? And this is in a medium, right? Let's get into the next unboxing because I got 2 shirts. This is more of a royal blue. It is larger and it says fuck racism. Again, you have the Ku Klux Klan dude with the hell no sign around it, symbol around it. F racism. This is in royal blue. This is also medium. I'll leave a link in the description box to how you can purchase your own FU KKK racism. Unity is key clothing. Yes, fuck racism. Okay. So, I'll leave links to how you can get your own shirts. I'll leave links to how you can connect with Fuck Racism. This is a movement. This is a march. We are against racism. We are against bigotry. We are against it, okay? Who says